Just think about something you love. Then let your heart tell your brain. Then let your brain tell your fingers. Then let your fingers pick up a paintbrush and create something wonderful. But before you start, the most important thing of all, something you can